Episode 18 of going from a beginner to a professional trader. Today we're going over GDP, or gross domestic product. Now with this, we don't have a specific target in mind, but the one thing we need to look out for is recession territory. When you're measuring GDP, if we get 2 consecutive months of negative GDP, this is a recession, and that is definitely not where you want your economy to be. So what we're looking for here is the consensus figure. Again, this is always the one that you need to be looking at before the data print. Then you're looking to see whether it comes out above or below the consensus. Remember, the consensus has already been priced into the markets, so we need a shock factor. If it comes out in line with 1.5, you're not going to see a big reaction, and it might be a data point just leaving behind. Now, if the actual comes out above the consensus, this is going to be strong for the US dollar, and it's going to be bad for the S&P and for indices. If it comes out below consensus, this is going to be bad for the US dollar, and it's going to be good for indices. Reason being is because it comes back to the good old interest rates. But this is not always the case, because you can go into a state of the economy overheating when you get these GDP figures which are sky high. And again, this is not good for the economy because you get companies competing for workers, and this causes a massive cycling effect of inflation going through the roof.